In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your API key in the BrandBird plugin for Figma. Start by opening your Figma file. Then click the Actions button and search for BrandBird. Select the BrandBird plugin from the results and open it. Once the plugin launches, click the Set API Key option. If you're not already logged into your BrandBird account, sign in first. After signing in, click Set My API Key. The plugin will provide a link to the page where your API key is located. Open that page and copy your API key from the BrandBird dashboard. Return to Figma and paste the API key into the API key field inside the BrandBird plugin. Click Save to store the key and connect your BrandBird account to the plugin. Once saved, the plugin will be ready to use and you'll have access to BrandBird's features directly inside Figma. If the connection doesn't work, double check that the API key was copied correctly and try saving it again. And that's it, you've successfully set up the API key for the BrandBird plugin in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.